In today's video, I'll show you how to export a Figma file as a PG, PDF, JPG, or SVG. Whether you're preparing images for a website, sending a design to a client, creating a presentation, or handing vector assets to a developer, Figma makes the export process quick and straightforward. We'll go through each step, including how to select the correct layer, choose the export format, adjust the scale, and save the final file to your computer. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical Figma tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Figma file that contains the design you want to export. You can export a complete frame, a group of elements, or an individual layer. The most important step is selecting exactly what you want to save. On the canvas, click the specific frame, group, or layer. If you want to export an entire screen or artboard, select the frame around that design. If you only need one icon, image, button, or section, select that individual layer instead. Once your item is selected, look at the right-hand sidebar. Scroll down toward the bottom until you find the export section. If the export panel is collapsed, click it to open the options. Then click the plus button next to export. This adds an export setting for the selected frame, group, or layer. You'll now see an export format menu. Click the Formats drop down to view the available options. Figma lets you export the selected design as PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF. Choose PNG when you need a high-quality raster image with support for transparent backgrounds. PNG is often useful for interface designs, graphics, logos, and images that need to remain sharp. Choose JPG when you need a smaller image file, especially for photos or web content where transparency is not required. JPG files are compressed, so they can be easier to share and upload, but they may not preserve fine details as well as PNG files. Choose SVG when you're exporting a vector design such as a logo, icon, illustration, or user interface asset. SVG files can scale up or down without losing quality, which makes them ideal for websites and development workflows. Keep in mind that SVG export works best when the design consists of vector elements rather than raster images. Finally, choose PDF when you want a document-style export or need to share a design for printing, review, or presentation. PDF is commonly used for layouts, presentations, posters, and client deliverables. If you choose PNG or JPG, you'll also see a scale option. This allows you to control the exported image size. The default setting is usually 1x, which exports the design at its original dimensions. Select 2x if you need a higher resolution image, such as for retina displays or high-quality presentations. You can also choose 0.5x when you need a smaller version of the design. These scale multipliers are mainly available for raster formats like PNG and JPG. For example, if your selected frame is 800 pixels wide and you export it at 1x, the resulting image will be 800 pixels wide. At 2x, it will be 1600 pixels wide. At 0.5x, it will be 400 pixels wide. Choose the scale based on where you plan to use the exported file. After selecting the format and scale, check the export preview and confirm that the correct item is selected. This is especially important when your file contains multiple frames or layers. If the wrong layer is selected, Figma may export only a small element instead of the complete design. When everything looks correct, click the export button. The button will usually include the name of the selected frame, group, or layer, such as Export Homepage or Export Logo. Figma will then generate the file and download it to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file may appear in your Downloads folder, or you may be asked where you want to save it. You can repeat the same process if you need multiple formats. For example, you can add one export setting for PNG and another for SVG, or export the same frame as both JPG and PDF. Click the plus button again in the export section, select another format, choose the scale if available, and then export the item. This is useful when you need one version for a website, another for a client, and a separate vector version for development. Before finishing, open the exported file and quickly check it. Confirm that the dimensions are correct, the text appears properly, the images are visible, and the file has the right background. If you expected transparency, PNG is usually the best choice. If you need a scalable vector file, choose SVG. If you need a document for printing or sharing, PDF is generally the better option. And that's how to export a Figma file as PNG, PDF, JPG, or SVG. Select your frame, group, or layer. Open the export panel, click the plus button, choose your format, set the scale when needed, and click export to download the file. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Figma tips and design tutorials.